We're going to be making a crossbar for my roof rack. This is a 2003 Montero Sport. We're making the bars go across here. I'm going to show you how to do it for pretty cheap. It's going to be about 20 bucks in material. And little man right here is going to help us cut it out.
I'm K-Story Gaming.
Let's get started.
YouTubers.
You see where we got metal pre-marked ready to cut out. Got this metal out of a recycling yard. It was about 30 cents a pound, so we got less than 20 bucks into it. We'll get them cut out, clean them up real good. All right, now we're about to start the cut. Put your hands on the back here.
But my jacket's
All right, we got them cut down. Now we're going to prep them up, grind them smooth, sand them and paint them. Drill the holes in them. After we get ready to do some, I'll record again. We're going to use one of these flap discs. They're really cheap. I mean, they're like $1 a piece at Harbor Freight. But they work real good at getting rust and stuff off. And this is a little 4.5 inch grinder here. They fit right on. Just like that. All right, what we're going to do now, get us a rag, and we're going to wipe it down real good. You can use alcohol if you want to. I really don't care. I'm going to throw it on the roof. I'm going to be bolting stuff to it, and all it's going to be all getting scratched up anyway. I'm just kind of making it the same color as the roof rack. I'm using this Rust-Oleum flat black because that's the color of my roof rack's flat black. So I figured it'd match a little bit better than doing some kind of gloss. This paint ain't spraying worth the crap. As you can see, let me get you a little close up to you. Step back, buddy. So he's just shooting in a straight line. I'm gonna do the best I can with it because I'm not making the trip to Walmart just for another can of spray paint. I'll do what I can with this, give it time to dry, flip it on over, and Do the other side. They don't look the best, but I'm gonna get up in these pipes a little bit so prevent a little rust from going in there. Now we're gonna sit and let it dry. My rack came in. I got this off Amazon for 140. It's a 6 foot. It fits perfect on the luggage rack on top. We're about to bolt up the bars we made, the crossbars. I'm gonna show you guys how to be able to do this without getting some cheap aluminum crossbar. You can use steel. So if you want to put ratchet straps to it or something, you don't have to worry about it coming off. So once I bring the bars up, I'll bolt them up and show you how I did it. These are what I'm using. I got these from Lowe's. They're about $3 a piece, stainless. You won't have to worry about them rusted on you. Pretty sturdy, and they ought to last a good while. I got one bolted up now. Had to add a washer to that one because I had to drill a hole a little bit wider because the shape of my my rail is a little oblong. It's not just straight, so the U-bolt slightly bend a little bit. You may not have that issue, but I did, and that's how I've got it so far. I'm about to bolt this other one up, then I'm gonna toss up the rack, the bike rack. All right, there we go. We got it bolted up. It's good and strong. Shake the whole truck with it. It's not going anywhere. I hope this helped somebody out. Help them save a little money. Hopefully I'll have another video out soon. I'm gonna probably do the torsion bars on this next. I'm scrubbing a little bit in the back here when I turn, and I don't like that, so that'll probably be the next video. Thank you everyone who's watched. Have a great day. God bless.